Be honest. Have you ever felt like I'm studying so much for ACCA, but I still don't feel job ready? Because here is the truth. ACCA give you knowledge, but companies don't hire marks. They hire skills. Most ACCA students focus only on passing exams. But when you sit in an interview, no one asks you what were your marks. Instead, they ask what can you actually do? What practical skills do you have? And if you don't have practical skills, even a qualified student can struggle to get a job. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete skill you need to become job ready as an ACC student. Even if you're starting from zero, and trust me, if you start building these skills early, you will already be ahead of 90% of students. So let's start with the most important part, your core. You must be strong in accounting fundamentals like double entry system, journal entries, ledger and trial balance, financial statement, consolidation. You also need a clear understanding of IFRS standards, ratio analysis, cash flow statements, lease accounting, because this is your foundation. If this is weak, everything else falls apart. Now let's talk about taxation. You don't need to be an expert immediately, but you must understand basics like corporate tax, GST or VAT, income tax fundamentals, tax planning, and compliance. Even basic tax knowledge give you a strong edge in interviews. If you are interested in audit roles, this is critical. You should understand internal audit, external audit, risk assessment, audit evidence, internal control, and professional ethics because companies trust you with sensitive financial data. So next is financial management. This help you think like a real finance professional. You should know budgeting, forecasting, investment appraisal, working capital management, cost of capital, and business valuation. Now comes management accounting, which is all about decision making. You should be comfortable with budget preparation, costing techniques, standard costing, variance analysis, performance management, and business decisions. Now, let's move to the skills that actually get you hired. So, the first is Excel skill. This is non negotiable. Excel is your daily tool. You must know pivot table, VLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP, index match, sum ifs, if functions, conditional formatting, charts and dashboard, Power Query, and basic financial modeling. Without Excel, you are already behind. So the next is ERP software. Companies expect practical exposure. You should have at least basic knowledge of SAP, FICO, Oracle, ERP, Tele, QuickBooks, Microsoft Dynamics, or Zero. This make you job ready, not just exam ready. As you know, finance is becoming data driven. So you should learn Power BI, basic SQL, data visualization, and KPI dashboards creation. This is what separates average candidate from high value ones. So the next is AI skills. This is where smart student wins. You should start using ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, learn prompt writing, AI based financial analysis, and AI report generation. If you ignore AI, you will fall behind very fast. So, the next important skill is business and professional skills. You must understand how business actually works. Learn about corporate governance, strategic management, risk management, business analysis, and business ethics because accounting doesn't exist in isolation. So, the next is communication skill. This is one of the most important skills. If you can't communicate, your knowledge has no value. You must improve business email writing, presentation skills, client communication, report writing, and professional English. So, after communication skill, let's talk about soft skill. These are the skills that actually get you hired. You need leadership, teamwork, critical thinking, problem solving, time management, decision making, adaptability, and attention to detail because companies hire people, not just qualification. So the last skill which I want to talk about, the digital skills, and don't ignore basic tools. You should be comfortable with Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, Google Workshop, PDF tools, and document management systems. If you want to stand out even more, you can add certification like Advanced Excel with AI, Power BI, SAP, IFRS certification, financial modeling, data analytics, AI for finance. These can significantly boost your profile. So if you're confused, just focus on this: advanced Excel with AI, Power BI, SAP, or ERP software, financial modeling, IFRS knowledge, AI tools, and strong communication skill. This is your perfect job ready combination. So ECC is a powerful qualification, but it's just the foundation. Your real growth starts when you build skills. And if you are serious about becoming job ready and you want full guidance, resources, mock practice, and real support, we have created a WhatsApp community just for ACC students. Inside, you will get studies, resources, skill building roadmap, mock interview practice, career guidance, and latest opportunities. So, if you don't want to struggle alone, join the WhatsApp community from the link in the description. This will genuinely help you in your ACC journey. And remember, the early you start, the faster you grow. If you want skill tracker, comment down the skills I will send you in DMs. Make sure you have joined our WhatsApp community and follow ACES Insider Hub on Instagram. Thank you.